DXN 1111111111111. Oh, look at there, Copperhead 295 cruising this crappy Cobra 29 around southeast Kentucky. Just cut lips, and I'm taking names. Break.
As a 5, and you was talking to me. 321, whipped in a baby bunch. Get out of my ears. Oklahoma, Tampa, 960.
About around Oklahoma. How about that around Oklahoma? He said, get up out of your ears. Who is it down in Oklahoma told me to get up out of their ears? Copperhead 295 being nosy around southeast Kentucky.
You was talking to Whip, man, but you just want to tell him to stop it. Okay, agree, I got you. You just want to tell him good night. So he's got crazy day. He'll say good night. Let me get out of here, old big mouth.
I just want to know if I got conditions. I want to know if I got conditions around southeast Kentucky. The number 1 mud ducking mall dropper 11111111111 around southeast Kentucky. Copperhead 295 getting on down. How about that whip in the Bayou country? How about it whip, 1111111. How about that whip in the Bayou country? Copperhead 295 getting on down, and you're receiving southeast Kentucky.
61 is getting on down. Stick. Mr. Ian's soul is gone. How do you get it off? If I say it? That was. Take care, crazy groove, Mr. Whip in the Bayou country. Crazy groove, bye. You going down in the foreground too, because you got a ham in my radio. Mr. Ian Love Country is 61, loose from the station. Is right back, right?
How about that 61? How about that 61? Get your mind off of the love country, because Copperhead 295's got that mall down in southeast Kentucky. Ain't nobody got that mall down. Ain't nobody got that old mall down, but Copperhead 295 out of southeast Kentucky. Working this crappy Cobra 29. I got that mall down. Get your mind off of old love country. And I'm reading this mail and rolling this gate. Mall dropping. We're talking about mall droppers from malldroppers.com. Where's all you mall droppers at from malldroppers.com? Copperhead 295, southeast Kentucky's number 1 mall dropper wants to know with this video gate rolling.
Bye, trouble. You tell that black rooster, black horse, bye.
Who is that saying bye? I'm looking at my radio, and I'm looking at my radio like a TV. I'm watching my radio like a TV. Copperhead 295 said, where are you going? Come on down, southeast Kentucky.
Right there, right back, right now. Black horse, but I'm trying to horseshoe city. Good evening to you, yes? Yes, it is. Black horse, I got down.
Did you say black horn? Did you say black horn? Black horn? I believe you said. Maybe black cord, I don't know. You said you're getting on down. Come on down, getting my receipt. Copperhead 295 with the evening time 4 and 1. I'm going to get all the way down into BYU. I'm turning my house around so I can get all the way down and drop this mud ducking mall into BYU. Copperhead 295 done told you. And I'm reading this mail and rolling this gate. Looky there. I'm turning my house around. I'm going to drop the mall as it turns. I'm going to drop this cop picking, mud ducking, duck plucking mall in southeast Kentucky as my house turns around to the south, no doubt. Copperhead 295 around southeast Kentucky, and I'm listening with this gate rolling. How about that black horse, black horse, black horse, black horse, black horse? Hey, black horse down around the BYU. Ain't nobody in your radio right there but this old mud duck in Copperhead 295 cruise in this crappy Cobra 29 around southeast Kentucky, and I'm reading your mail. Look at that meter. Tell me who you see. It's Copperhead 295 hitting you at 30 dB. And I'm back out reading this mail and rolling this gate, no doubt. I guess I don't have any conditions. I must be getting my mud ducking lips cut off out there in DX land. Copperhead 295's reading this mail and put my knees to the breeze and rolling this gate in southeast Kentucky. How about that trouble? Where you at, trouble, 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 trouble? I'm looking for some trouble tonight. I'm looking for some trouble this evening. Where you at, trouble? Copperhead 295 trying to shake your hand. I heard you stepping out of the mobile. I heard you stepping out of the mobile saying good afternoon. Who was that stepping out of the mobile around a big horn saying good afternoon? Copperhead 295 being nosy in southeast Kentucky. I wish I had conditions. I wish I had conditions out there around DX land. I wish I had me some of them good old DX and conditions so I could drop a mall and cut some lips off out there in DX land. Copperhead cruise in this crappy Cobra 29 in southeast Kentucky's back out.
Hello, DVI 515 San Antonio 47.
around Mississippi. Good evening, time wave around Mississippi. Copperhead 295 with a wave while I'm cruising this crappy Cobra 29 big breed.
I got a good power might will die almost down over this thing. That's good. But it's not making it swing like this one does.
That's right. Who's squealing? Who's it out there squealing, Breek?
Are we squealing?
No, you ain't squealing. Where you at?
Look, so who we got?
Oh, you got Copperhead on this end.
There's your 20.
I'm up here in southeast Kentucky.
Man, southeast Kentucky, man, you got Central Florida come on 238.
Well, roger that, 238. You got Copperhead 295 up here around southeast Kentucky.
1048 Copperhead. All right, man. Let's roll.
Hey, you have yourself a super farm down that way, 238. Sounded good. You got a little bit of background noise in that thing, but it ain't hurting you too bad. You can hear the fans going or something in the background, but I think that's what that squeal was they was picking up on. Anyway, 238, sound top shelf around southeast Kentucky. Copperhead 295, letting you know.
42 on that here, Spider for a long distance radio check. Sorry.
Go ahead, that breaker for a long distance radio check. Come on back in there.
Yeah, good evening to you. They call me 87 Dirty Bird down here around Tampa Bay, Florida, Roger.
Right on 87 Dirty Bird. 87 Dirty Bird. It's been a long time since I've been able to talk to you guys down that way. I talked to 1999 in his motor car earlier today around the BAM. It's been a long time. Last time I talked to you, I believe I was living up there in western Kentucky. Copperhead 295 with the wave.
Oh, don't care about 295. You sound great down here in my receive. No doubt about it. When you got the hammer down, that's all I hear is 295. Have a good old weekend rolling up and a better day after that. Dirty Bird down here around Tampa Bay waving your way, and we're back out.
Roger, Dirty Bird. Hey, be sure and check out this video gate I got rolling on YouTube. Go to youtube.com, type in Copperhead 295, and you'll pull it up there. It's been a pleasure. 87 Dirty Bird, 73s to you, and welcome to 2012 Southeast Kentucky's #1 mud, duck, and mall droppers back out of your radio.